Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Excel 3B Office for the web. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, my IT lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment Excel 3B Office for the web. Here is a project description. Here is a workbook I have already downloaded from my IT Lab dashboard. The project description is, in this project you will use Microsoft Office for Web Excel to create a line chart similar to the one you created in project 3B. Now we will move to the question number 1. In question number 1, you will have to download the Excel workbook from my Lab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from my Lab IT dashboard. Now move to the question number 2. In question number 2 are simple. If necessary, display the classic ribbon as follows. At the right end of the ribbon, locate the switch ribbons arrow and click to display the up arrow and so that more commands display on the ribbon. The simplified ribbon displays fewer commands and is useful when working on mobile devices. Now we will move to the main question, question number 3. Question number 3 is, question number 3 is, click cell B3, type an apostrophe and then type 2020 so that the formula has displayed 2020. Press tab in cell C3. Begin sure to include the apostrophe type 2021 and then press tab. Typing as apostrophe before the value will cause the year to be treated as text, not a number. The apostrophe does not display in the cell in the manner. The years will treated as labels instead of values when you create a line chart later in this project. Now we will move to the workbook. In this cell you will have to type year 2020, 2021, and then press tab. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, select the range B3 to C3, drag the fill handle to write the fill dates through cell F3. First here you will have to select the range B3 to C3, B3 to C3, and drag this to fill the dates 2022 to 2023 and 24. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is click cell C5 to calculate the percent increase of tourism spending from 2021 to 2021. Type C4 minus B4 divided by B4, then press tab enter. Select cell C5 and then apply the percentage formatting in cell C5. Drag the fill handle to right to copy the formula through cell F5. In this question, you will have to calculate the percent increases. In this cell, you will have to type a formula. C4 minus B4 divided by B4 and then press enter. As you can see that the percent increases are calculated in this cell. And then apply the percentage formatting in cell C5. Drag the fill handle to right. First you will have to drag this formula. Drag this formula. As you can see that the percent increases are now calculated for all the years 2022 to 2023 and 2024. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is select the range A3 to F4 on the insert tab in the charts group. Click the line and then click line with markers. Point the chart and then drag the chart so that the upper left corner is positioned in cell A7 and the chart is visually centered under the data above it. It is the question number 6. In this question you will have to insert a chart. You will use the chart group tab. First, you will have to select this range A3 to F4. Select this range and then go to the insert tab. And go to the insert tab. And all charts, line chart, then select this line chart. Press OK. Choose this one. And the upper left corner is positioned in cell A7 and the chart is visually centered under the data. Above it, you will have to center this chart in cell A7. This one, drag this and set the position of this chart. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is on the chart tab in the formula group, click format to display the chart pane, click chart title and then click bold, click horizontal axis and then click bold. In this question you will have to set the chart title and then click the bold and then click the horizontal axis and click the bold option. First we select this chart title, then apply bold, then go to the home tab, then click on bold and the horizontal axis and then click bold. First you will have to select the horizontal axis. Question number 7 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is click the vertical axis and then click the minimum box, type this amount and then press enter, scroll down and click bold, close the chart pane. In the minimum box you will have to type this amount. In the minimum box you will have to type this amount and then press enter, scroll down. Question number 8 are completed. We have now completed 8 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses like MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Mathematics, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Word, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to contact me. And you can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.